Hindi, I mean, sorry, hindi ko yata sinabi yun, na hindi niya ako sinasagot. Pero, hindi ko alam eh, parang, hindi ko na naman mag-develop sa akin, hindi ko alam kung ba't.
Ano kang develop?
Naghintay lang ako na ma-develop sa akin kung babae ito.
Okay.
So kaya nililigawan mo talaga siya?
Sorry?
Nililigawan mo siya? For the record lang.
Alam ko iniisipan niyo ako ngayon kaagad ng masama at pinipigil tayo at ako sa mga utak niyo, pero aminin ko marupok po ako, mga kaibigan. At marupok pa rin ako ngayon. Pero, I mean, mas madalas kami nag-aasama ngayon eh. I mean, it's so unexplainable. Parang, yeah.
Eunice, reaction mo dun sa sinabi ni Kia na iniintay niya lang na ma-develop ka sa kanya?
Well, I don't really know. Time will tell. Pero sa ngayon, ini-enjoy ko yung ginagawa namin together with this project. And yeah, I'm so glad it's with Kian.
Okay.
Does that mean you'll have future projects together? Will you be working close together for other?
Yeah, sure, why not? I mean, definitely, I'd be totally game, especially with Eunice. Pero we're much focused on this happy together trip down memory lane.
Kiyan, online yung mga fans nyo natutuwa, kinikilig kapag nagpo-post kayo ng picture together. So ano na lang yung masasabi mo, how will you describe yung relationship nyo ngayon? Para sa mga fans. How will you describe it?
Everything's just so mutual and comfortable and so good. I mean, actually, to tell you the story about the online thing, ano yun eh, aksidente lang naman talaga siyang nangyari. Alam mo yun? We posted something and then they double tapped yung picture and they liked it and parang bigla na siya nangyari na natuwa sila. Though sinasabi nila na, oh, we are broken-hearted, sa mga fans ni Eunice, sa mga sinasabi nila na gano'n. Pero they like it, they love it, and we're actually promoting love and being happy together. That's the main point. I mean, hindi namin siya talagang in-intention na yun yung mangyari. Naging aksidente lang siya na nagpo-post kami. Like, well, even before we posted something like that, like, we post pictures together like, before. So,
We know each other for like so long ago na. So, yeah.
so yun, so parang natuwa sila eh. Nagulat din kami. And every time na magpo-post kami ng pictures, and they like it, they love it. Di ba?
It's not just simple.
Oo eh. Started with a simple "Can't Take My Eyes Off You" caption, which is part of the album. And yun na yun.
So bagay ka kasi ganito.
Thanks so much.
Kaya natutuwa
Thank
sila.
you.
Kaya lang, Eunice, aren't you afraid he has a reputation about you?
Sabi ko sa inyo, may iniisip kayo eh. Tama ako eh.
Let's go.
I could care less. I mean, actually, hindi ko naman iisipin. I mean, I don't judge him, or I don't really see him as that. Kasi most people think that he's like that. Pero I mean, I personally know him, so yeah, I don't judge him. And I'm just so happy that, you know, si Kian kasi sobrang maalalay lang talaga siyang tao. At yeah, I guess I'm lucky that sa dami-dami na pwedeng makasama ko sa project na to, si Kian yun.